Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can change your TikTok account recovery verification method, since when you've forgotten your password and you try recovering it, you given a chance to insert in your email or phone number to recover it, but sometimes you have probably lost your phone number to recover your account or email, so today I'm going to teach you how you can change your verification method. It's simple, simply start by opening your TikTok. Then after getting this results, simply go on the profile menu, then after having it, simply click on top right menu, then go on security and login, then go on two-step verification, and now as you can see here is all your verification method, and mine as you can see it's set to SMS, which means I can verify my account using my phone number. So for example let's set my verification to email, so click on turning on. And then now as you can see a code has been sent to your email, so make sure you have already add your email on your account, so simply open your email and then copy your code. For those who didn't know, this code can't be copy and pasted, so you will write number by number. And from now on you will be using your email as verification tool. And if you want to turn off your two-step verification method, you will simply click on this button. And you will redo the step as before. And now as you can see your two-step verification is turned off, so thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.